Napakaganda, no? So you are in fact doing agroforestry, no? Kasi may mga fruit bearing pala kayong tinatanim.
I don't think, sir, but then if you can call that agroforestry, then it could be, sir. Ang purpose po namin dyan is to reforest our mountains, and of course, para magkaroon din po ng silbi kung sakaling mamunga ito. Kasi yung iba is, it will only take 5 years. Pwede na pong mamunga, such as yung mga atis, ganyan, yung mga maliit na klase ng punong kahoy. But then if we are referring to those high-class timbers such as Nara, Mulawe, talagang abutin po ng minimum of 20 years po yan. And it is expected na hindi na po para sa atin yun. Para sa mga ako na po.
Tama yan, sa susunod na generation. Sunny Boy, can you tell us more about itong Kaakibat Biodiversity Watch, yung grupo nyo? At baka gusto mo rin ipakilala yung team mo na nandiyan dyan ngayon. Go ahead, Sunny Boy.
Yes po, I will give you an overview about this Kaakibat Biodiversity Watch. This is just one of the program of the Kaakibat Civicom International in terms of its advocacy and environmental protection, sir. So our town is located west part of Cagayan Province, transboundary with the Cordillera Mountains and Apayao region. So alam po natin na yung Apayao Province is a part of Biodiversity Reserve by the UNESCO. So kade-declare lang po yan. So it's important for us to protect this transboundary reserve because it has been recorded recently na yung mga Philippine eagles natin dito sa Apayao ay nagpupunta dito sa bahaging ito ng Lasam sa mga forest natin. That's why nagkaroon po ng activity ng Kaakibat Civicom International to establish the Kaakibat Biodiversity Watch, specifically to save those habitats and saving those animals in distress, especially from hunting and sa random killings ng mga hunters po natin.
Okay. Sunny Boy, kumusta ang survival rate ng inyong mga tinatanim? Namo-monitor nyo ba pagkatapos nyo magtanim? Mga ilang porsyento ang nabubuhay after several weeks or months?
Yes po, ang target po ng grupo is at least 50% survival rate. That's why ang numbers po ng seedlings na amin tinatanim ay dinadamihan natin. So although hindi namin sinusunod yung 4x4 distance, minsan medyo nilalapit namin, sir, because we are expecting not all those seedlings will be viable. So after ng tree planting, we are scheduling 3 to 6 months para balikan po yun. Lalagyan namin ng tree guards. And of course, kung nasakop na siya ng mga vines, tinatanggal po namin via ng mga members po natin sa Kaakibat Civicom.
So in fact, you are doing also mga tree caring activities, no? Hindi lang kayo basta nagtatanim pero binabalikan ninyo at minomonitor. May mga follow through.
Absolutely, sir, because that is the ultimate goal of tree planting. We just don't do tree planting for photo ops, but then more importantly, dapat mag-survive po yun. At least 50% po ang ini-aim ng grupo.
May sarili ba kayong nursery or kumukuha kayo from somewhere else na inyong mga tinatanim?
In previous years po, meron po kami sariling nurseries, but then due to lack of funding, medyo nawala po yun. But then in partnership with the DENR, Senro, we are coordinating with them so that we can pour some seedlings for our reforestation projects po.